Hi, I'm Dr. Farley, and I want to talk to you about 6 things that affect the cost that go into replacing all your teeth with dental implants, so that by the end of the video, you feel more confident that you can make an informed decision on what to do. We all know the saying that you get what you pay for, and it's no difference when you are trying to decide on your teeth. If it's cheaper here, why is it cheaper? Is it cheaper because it's a cheaper product? Is it cheaper because they're leaving some pieces out? Are you being told the price of one thing and then after you accept that, you're talked to about the sedation and then the materials? Or is it a price that is all-encompassing? Does it cover everything, the whole entire journey, start to finish? Those are questions that you want to be asking as you're meeting with people. If it's cheaper for a reason. Figure out how it's cheaper and then see if that's something you're comfortable with. One of the things that often is going to keep the cost down is the ability to get more done under one roof. Anytime that an office needs to outsource anything, everything that gets outsourced, it does add cost to the whole thing. If you can have your surgery and the restorative side where you're getting your teeth and the lab all under one roof, that facility is going to be able to give you a better product, but at a lower cost. There are a lot of materials that teeth can be made from, and a cheaper material is not going to last as long as the more expensive materials. In the short term, it might be cheaper, but in the long run, if you're finding you have to redo it again, maybe again, then suddenly the more expensive option in the beginning was actually better in the long run because it lasted longer. You might think that technology is going to increase the cost for you, but that's actually not what happens. When offices are investing in technology, it is making them more efficient, and by that efficiency, you benefit on the cost. Another thing that will affect the cost is the approach taken in the treatment planning. Some offices might focus on just one problem, give you the cost, get you through that, and then suddenly they're pointing out the other problems, and now the costs seem to start to spiral and get higher and higher. Whereas going to an office that has a more comprehensive plan from the beginning, now you get to see the whole cost all at once. If the treatment plan is only covering a small part of the mouth, the cost is going to be less. If that treatment plan is covering more of the mouth, it's going to be more. But what you don't want to do is invest in one spot and not know that there's other things going on and be surprised down the road that you didn't cover it all. It'd be good to know those things ahead of time and make the informed decision on, if I make a bigger investment, I now solved everything. One thing you'll also want to ask is when it comes to the actual payments. Some offices might want you to pay everything full, right up in front, all of it one lump sum. If you can do that, you can often see some cost savings for it. But if that's not a possibility, another thing that's common is to do third-party financing. Those are probably the 2 most common ones that are out there. Some other ways of thinking about it is, let's say you know you want the best, you want something that is out of your reach, and you know you could eventually get there, but yet your needs are more urgent. Maybe you're in pain or the embarrassment's too much and you need to get started now. Another way to manage it and to keep the costs spread out is to phase your treatment. So if you do part of it now, maybe the teeth come out and the dentures go in, and then you wait. And then down the road you get the implants. You wait. Down the road you get teeth attached to them. You wait. Down the road you get final teeth made for them. You can spread those payments out just by spreading the treatment out. Thank you for watching. I hope that some of that information is what you're looking for. If you need more information, you can download our price guide or call our office and we'll answer whatever questions you have. Otherwise, please like the video, subscribe to our channel if you want to get more of this kind of information about your dental implants.